Hello guys, welcome to you. In this video, we are going to see how to download and install Epson L4150 printer driver in a Windows 10 PC or laptop. It is a very easy and simple process. So let's go to our video. First we check our PC or laptop is 32-bit or 64-bit. That is very easy to check it. Go to this PC, right click on this PC, click on the properties. Wait for a few seconds and scroll down and find system type. If system type is 32-bit, that means that machine is 32-bit operating system machine. If system type is 64-bit, that means that machine is 64-bit operating system machine. This machine is 64-bit operating system machine. Close it. Next step is download our printer driver. Go to any web browser that you like. I am going to the Google Chrome. In a search, type Epson L4150 printer driver and hit enter key on your keyboard. First link is from the Epson. Go to the first link, Epson L4150, our printer name and support. Open that first link, whatever first link is. Open the first link. And official website of the Epson printer is open. Here we find our printer name Epson L4150. Scroll down and it's detect your operating system and bit. If it's not detect your operating system right or bit is right, then click at here, select Windows 10 32-bit if 32-bit. If Windows 10 64-bit, then select Windows 10 64-bit. After that, here we find go button. Click on that go button. This page goes to the refresh. After that, once again scroll down and find drivers, expand drivers. Click on this plus button. Here we find scanner driver. Here we find the printer driver. First I download the scanner driver. I go to the scanner driver, click on the download. It's redirect me to the another web page. Click on I agree to the software license agreement. Select this, check this, click on the download. It's redirect you to the another page, not another page. Download is started at the top. Wait for a few seconds. Download is completed. Go to the downloads, click on show in folder, minimize it and drag this setup file to desktop. Close it. Next step is go to the web browser once again, close it. Here we find our main web page. Go to the main web page, go to the drivers, go to the printer driver and click on the download. It's redirect you to the another web page. Click on this I agree to the software license agreement. Select this, check this, click on the download. It's start download on our PC or laptop. It's take few minutes, so be patient and wait for a few minutes. Our download is completed. Go to the downloads, click on show in folder, minimize it and drag this setup file to desktop. Okay, close it. Now here we find two files. First is our scanner driver file and second is our printer driver file, and these two set of file is actually a zip file and we are going to unzip this zip file. First I go to the printer driver, right click on the printer driver. Here we find extract files. Click on extract files, click on OK and unzip process is started. It's completed. Go to the newly created folder, unzip folder, double click on it and here we find some file. Double click on this folder, double click on this folder. Here we find files. Close it. Next step is install it. Go to the start, type printers and scanners, click on the printers and scanners. In a printer list at the top we find add a printer or scanner. Click on add a printer or scanner. Wait for a few seconds and new options are pop up on our screen. New options are the printer that I want isn't listed. Click on that, close it. Here we find add a printer. In add a printer we find many options. Go to the last options, add a local printer or network printer with manual settings. Select last option, click on the next. Here we find existing port, most IMP part of this installation. Click at here and you can select any USB port that you want. USB 0.1, USB 0.2, USB 0.3, USB 0.4. Select any USB port that you want. Select USB port, click on the next. Wait for a few seconds, click on Havadix, click on the browse, go to the desktop, go to our folder, newly extracted folder, double click on it, double click on this folder, double click on this folder. Here we find some files. Select any file. All file contains same drivers or the same printer driver. Select any file, click on open, click on OK. Here we find Epson L4150 series. It is a series printer and click on this next. This is our printer and select that printer and click on the next. Give any name that you like. I go with the same name, Epson L4150 series. You can give any name that you like. Click on the next. It's installing our printer and it's take few minutes. So be patient and wait for a few minutes to properly install this printer on our Windows 11 PC or laptop. It takes less 1 or 2 minutes. So be patient and wait for a few minutes. Our printer is now installed. If you want to share this printer in a network, then last option. I don't, so I select do not share this printer, first option. Click on the next. If you want to print a test page, then click on a printer test page or click on a finish. Next step is install our scanner driver. Go to the our scanner driver, double click on the our scanner driver or right click on it and click on run as an administrator and click on the yes. And first is unzip process is start, extracted process is start, and after that our installation is start. Here we find unzip process. Click on the next. Our scanner setup is start. Click on the next. Accept the terms and condition and click on the next. And our installation is started. It's also take 1 or 2 minutes. So be patient and wait for 1 or 2 minutes to completely and properly install the scanner driver files on our Windows 10 PC or laptop. So be patient. Our scanner part is done. Scanner is installed. Click on finish. Next step is check our printer is properly installed or not. Go to start. Type printers and scanners. Click on the printers and scanners. In a printers and scanners, in a printer list, if you find your printer name Epson L4150 series, that means your printer is properly installed and it's work 110% in a Windows 10 PC or laptop. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, comment on this video and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you guys.